Hello. In this video, I'm going to share with you secret to describe a single transformation in the IGCSE Math code 0580. So how to describe the single transformation? The secret lies in the marks given. The marks. Take note of the marks given. Okay, if you do take note, you go through the question, you'll notice that the mark given can be either 2 or 3. So 3, 2, 3. There's no 4, 5, 6, or 10. Only 2 or 3. So it can be either 2 marks, or 3 marks. Okay. So for the transformation, there will be 4 types of transformation. You have reflection. Oops, sorry. You have reflection. Oops. You have reflection. Translation. Rotation. And enlargement. So reflection and translation, this will give you 2 marks. And rotation and enlargement will give you 3 marks. Reflection, just state reflection itself. This will give you 1. The second mark will be the line of reflection. As for translation, you need to state the vector, how it moves, up, down, left, right. For rotation, for 3 marks, you need to state the direction. Direction means either 90 degrees, clockwise, 90 degrees, anti-clockwise, or 180 degrees. It will give 2 marks. The other marks will be for the center of rotation. As for enlargement, you need to state the scale factor as well as the center of enlargement. Let's try some question. Question number 1. Okay, describe fully the single transformation that map T to A. So T moves to A and it's 2 marks. 2 marks, do take note if you can recall, is either be reflection or translation. In this case, it will be translation. So you put translation by the vector. Okay, so let's say to this point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 5 and 6. For the vector, the x should be plus when you go to the right, and you will get minus when you go to the left. And for the y, you plus when you go up, and you minus when you go down. In this case, you go right and down. So it's a positive, and this should be a negative. Next, question number 2. Okay, describe fully the single transformation that maps A to B. It's a 3 marks question. So A to B, so A go to B, it will rotate. Okay. It's rotation. Okay. So this direction will be clockwise. So it will be 90 degrees. Clockwise, you just write full, okay? And the center about to find the center of rotation, you can do try and error. I'm not going to use it. Okay, in this case, I'm going to use the perpendicular bisector. Try to construct here. This point, join to here. And the perpendicular bisector it should be around here. We'll create a 90 degrees here. And another one, let's say take this point. The perpendicular bisector here. Okay. So from here, you only need to construct two, and you see the intersection point here. This will be the center. Center will be at 0, 2. So about 0, 2. Okay. Next, okay. Shape A to C. Clear this first. Oops. Oops. A to C, and it's a 2 marks. 2 marks is either be a reflection or translation. So in this case, it will be a reflection. Now we need to find the line of reflection. It should be around here. Okay. Okay, this line is y equal to x. So it'll be reflection in the line y equal to x. Okay. And how do you get the 2 marks? One for the reflection and one for the line of reflection. For rotation, this will give you 1, this will give you 1, this will give you 1. So you get the 3 marks. Okay, next. A into D is a 3 marks question. So A to D, one big, one small. A to D, 3 marks, it can either be, okay, so either be rotation or enlargement. In this case, okay, here A to D, one big, one small, it will be a enlargement. Okay, when we find the center of enlargement, draw a straight line. This is easy, straightforward. Draw another one. Here. There you go. Okay. The center over here. Here. Okay. This is 4, 6 at the intersection point. So enlargement, okay. Scale factor will be, this is 2, this is 1, so it becomes smaller. Scale factor is equal to half, and the center of enlargement will be at 2, just here, 4, 6. Okay. Draw a straight line, then you should be able to get the center. Next question. Okay. Describe fully the single transformation that maps A to B. A to B is a 3 marks question. A to B is 3 mark question. So we know that 3 marks it can be rotation or enlargement. In this case, one big, one small, so it should be an enlargement. A to B, so become bigger. This is 1, this is 3. So the scale factor is equal to 3. Now we find the center of enlargement. This point up here, this point here. Okay. So the center is negative 5, 5. Center will be here. Okay. So center of enlargement is negative 5, 5. Okay. Next question. Okay, describe the fully single transformation and map A to C. Another 3 marks. So we know the 3 marks are the rotation or enlargement. So A to C. A to C is so obvious, it's rotate this way. So it's rotation. Okay, this case is 90 degrees clockwise, and the center is about, now we find the center. Okay, take this point. Okay, here. The one. Wait, here. Here. Center should be here. Oh, okay, it's 1, 1, around 1, 1. Next, okay, question number 4. Describe the fully single transformation map T to U. T to U is look like a rotation, but one big, one small. In this case, 3. So when you get one big, one small, definitely will be enlargement. Okay, so we find the center. So here, here. Okay. Center will be here. Oops. Center will be here at 3, 4. Okay. Need to take note, this is the center. Okay. If you have a center, okay, center here, and this is either your image of your object, okay, center at the back, then the scale factor is equal to positive. If you have the center, okay, here, image here, object is here, or image. So it's look like rotate, but one big, one small, okay. So the center is in between, therefore the scale factor will be equal to negative. Okay, in this case, so T to U, this is 2, this is 1, so the scale factor is equal to negative half. And the center is of enlargement with 3, 4. Okay, so that's how you get the 3 marks. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, for the recap, okay, so how to describe a single transformation? Remember, the secret is lies in the marks given. Okay, if you have 2 marks, there will be either reflection or so you have 2 marks is can either be reflection or translation. Okay, for reflection, you need to state what is the line of reflection. For the translation, you need to state the vector. For the 3 marks, it can either be rotation or enlargement. Rotation, you need to state what is the direction and the center of rotation, whereas for the enlargement, you need to state the scale factor and the center of enlargement. Do take note, the scale factor can be positive or negative. So remember, practice is the key. I do provide a free worksheet, okay, where you can download in the description below. If you have any question or example that you'd like to discuss, just feel free to ask. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll see you again. Bye.